The Spinout category of the KTI Impact Awards are, I suppose, one of the most hotly contested categories. We're looking for not only a great business, but we're also looking for the evidence that that company has provided a route to market for world-leading technology.
Sense is an IoT company, so we develop hardware for remote environmental monitoring, and with the vast quantities of data that we gather, we perform analytics on that in order to drive insights, in order to understand what that data is telling you and provide extra value for our clients.
We launched our gas flux technology in the UK in late 2016, and that product allows us to cost effectively assess and help the remediation of brownfield sites. And basically what that does is enable cost-effective construction of housing in very popular urban locations. So as a result of that product being on the market, we've had a fairly significant uptake in customer interest, which resulted in a 300% increase in revenue last year, and we're predicting that and more in 2018.
NVP Energy are a company that have a groundbreaking wastewater treatment technology, which was developed here at NUI Galway by Professor Vincent O'Flaherty.
Our idea was to change wastewater treatment from something that costs a lot of money and that is environmentally very unsustainable to something that would actually allow us to produce energy from waste while we're treating it. Because it's a capital-intensive industry, the hardest thing, I guess, is getting some reference sites, getting that first full-scale plant commissioned. But the company managed to do that within 2 years of establishment. By 2019, you're probably talking about 5 full-scale sites, both in Ireland and in the UK.
So surgical technologies spun out of the Royal College of Surgeons over the past few years, based on technologies that were developed in my lab. Our lab focuses on developing biomaterials for tissue regeneration that help to restore the function of damaged or degenerated tissues.
In 2015, we had just got our first product CE marked approved, which means that we're allowed legally and safely sell it on the market. That's now in 25 Irish patients treating significant issues in bone degeneration, particularly in the maxillofacial area. We have closed quite a significant round of investment and brought in some new private equity investors, which has allowed the company to expand its workforce and really start looking much further down the horizons at the regulatory approval process for our follow-on technology, which we call Chondrocol, a really exciting technology that we've shown can regenerate articular cartilage and offers hope of repair for patients suffering from chronic osteoarthritis.